Hey guys, today I'm gonna make some sausage and egg on toast. So let's get toasting. I've made this for breakfast the last couple of mornings and it turns out pretty good. This is a 10-inch cast iron skillet I got from Walmart, and this is a little 3.5-inch skillet, and it fits right inside there. Now I have cooked the eggs right in that pan, but they spread out a lot more, so it kind of works better to put it on toast if you put it in there, because it, keeps the egg together. So I put a little bit of butter in there so it won't stick. I'll just crack this egg here, get that in there, and so that is ready to go. And then I have this Johnsonville breakfast sausage, these sausage patties, and what I've found is if I take them and just smash them out, I can make them big enough so they will pretty much cover a slice of bread, and also they cook a lot faster, so the sausage and the egg will cook in about the same amount of time. I set my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so pretty much just turned it all the way up, and now I'll just get that in there and just keep an eye on the egg until it looks cooked the way I want it. It's been about 9 minutes, so let's check on this. I think that's probably pretty good. I want a little bit of runny in my egg yolk, so I'm going to get that out of there. And I'll toast a piece of bread here. Alright, let's put this together. Grab my piece of sausage. That looks good, nice and brown on that side. Put it on the toast, just kind of fits perfectly on there. Get a oven mitt before I pick up this little cast iron skillet so I don't burn myself, and hopefully it'll come out of the pan okay. There we are, perfect. Well, there we are. I think this is actually a little bit easier to eat if you put the egg on the bottom, because you can kind of chop it up, and that way the the yolk will kind of sink into the toast. So that probably is a little easier to eat. Probably doesn't look as nice that way, but I think it's easier to eat that way. So let's try this thing out. That's pretty good. I like that sausage, and I like the egg with the runny yolk like that. Annie, the taste test dog, showed up. I guess we better let her try it. I'll give her a piece that has everything on it. There you go, Annie. What do you think? Well, looks like she liked all of it. So there's another easy breakfast idea. I'm trying to keep you guys out of the drive-thrus. I'll see if I can find those little cast iron skillets, the little 3.5-inch ones on Amazon, and put a link in the description. Thanks for watching. See you guys.